This doesn't help, then yes, welder, coming for you. I'll switch to the captain in a heartbeat. So guys, got a quick one. I got this. I've been having trouble with this YESWELDER air not shutting off. I tried adjusting the valve spring in the machine itself. It didn't work. So I got this new head. I'm gonna swap this out real quick and see if it works. You guys get to watch. We'll do a review on it real quick. Pretty straightforward swap. Should be this pretty much the same from when I'm hearing. Might have to cut a few wires, splice them back together, but shouldn't be no big deal. Everything else should be the same. If this doesn't help, then yes, welder, coming for you. I'll switch to the captain in a heartbeat. Don't test me. Okay, let's look in here real quick. So all it is pretty much, they're all pretty much common. We'll swap this stuff around. Red. Pair of pliers probably too. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Cut this shrink wrap. Let's disconnect this stuff from here. So this can come on. And this can come on. Disconnect this hose. Then we're all done. We'll connect this one. this shrink wrap. Like the other one had. Let's get this old stuff out of the way. You guys haven't got one of these little torches? They're perfect for little wiring. I got this one in. There he goes. Get them at any store for all the tweakers. They like the crack pipe, I guess. These little heat shrink ones are badass. So this one came with this plug. But we don't have that plug. I don't have that plug, so we're just gonna snip it off and strip it a little bit. Put this heat shrink one in. Crimp it. I'll do the same to this end. Give it a little crimp. Use our handy dandy blowtorch. Just like that. We'll plug in this one. So there. Set our torch and our wires in. Situated so we don't put the cover back on. I always take out the safety trigger. Just wearing out. Should work. Let me clear some of these parts off because I want to keep them. Just because I like to keep things. See if it works. Let's cut. Let's cut something. Seems like it's working. Seemed to work. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining this quick video. That's how you change the torch head on a plasma cutter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fancy YouTube stuff for me. I would very, very much appreciate it. Hit me up in my other Facebookers, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. The links will be in the description. If you like some merch, you can have a couple different style shirts and possibly hats. So ask about the hats. Anyway, thank you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Peace. As always, life's short. Let's explore it. Peace.